All right, guys, we got some beard mail in this big box. A brand new company that you may have never heard of. So stay tuned. We're going to take a look. Hey guys, Brian Haywood. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards, but we also do some product reviews and unboxings like we're doing today. And we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at it for a few weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video where I try to give you a couple options for you. We're having a great time with that, so check that out if you haven't. But today we've got an unboxing from a brand new company. It's called the Brothers Groom. It is out of southern Indiana, and there's three owners, three guys that started making beard products. One is, hey, there's lots of teachers like myself, so this one's a middle school principal, I think it is, or assistant principal. And then there was a minister who's a business owner, and then somebody else. I can't remember everything off the top of my head. But currently they've got 2 cents. They've got an Etsy shop that they just opened. So they've got 2 cents right now. They have 3 more that's coming out between this summer and next fall. They're also working on beard wash, beard conditioner, mustache wax, pomade. So they're getting ready to have a full line of products. So I've got another box inside of a box, which is the Brothers Groom. All right, so neat looking box there. Let's get into it. Get out the old trusty knife. I love working with these brand new companies because I like being helpful. I like kind of sharing my knowledge and any kind of feedback and any ways I can help kind of bring, get them out, get their name out without having to cost them a lot of money, for sure. So that's just what I like to do in the bearded community. So this one looking good. Open it up. All right, so that's a great looking package. Beards and Banjos, be sexy, conquer world, TBG, the Brothers Groom. So be sexy, check. Conquer the world, check. I'm well on my way to that one for sure. All right, so we got a Be Nice business card here and our nice beard. It's talking about the cedar sachet. No, cedar is not a dance. Yes, the white bag in your package is filled with cedar wood shavings. No, it's not edible. Our fresh cedar shavings come from the Amish mill that cuts wood for our beard combs. Cool. So they use it kind of like, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. So they use it kind of like packing peanuts. So they securely package your items, gives a pleasant scent to your package. I love cedar. And to be used in dresser drawers, closets, cabinets, blah, blah, blah. That's neat. Different. All right, I'm liking this already. Got different stuff, so I'll find a good place for those cedar packs. There's 5 of them in there. We've got some more business cards. And then there's a whole, they already got beard swag going on. A lot of times brand new companies don't have all this stuff yet. So inside, there's some kind of leather tray. And that's got the 2 oils and 2 balms in it. You're forever part of the Brothers Groom. Thanks for giving us support. You will forever be the first to reach out to us. Thank you so much. Well, you are very welcome. That's what I like to do. And they've got beard swag. They got the little leather pouch there for the key ring. Let's see what else we've got in here. Well, that's interesting. All right, so it looks kind of like a big, thick business card, but then in it you can pull out a little comb. That's neat. All this stuff smells good too. That leather, they need a leather scent to go along with what they've got here. So the leather smells good, the cedar smells good. We're smelling very manly already. But they've got 2 different scents. One is a summer scent, feels like summer. We got a 1 ounce oil and a 2-ounce balm, I believe. This is batch number 1, guys. This is number 8 of 10 from batch 1. That's pretty cool. This is batch 1, number 3 of 8. Cool. Got more beard swag. Man, this to be a brand new company. They are on it. Looks like they're Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, taking over the world. Okay, and then their other scent is a Canadian Outpost, which you would think would be really woodsy. Oh no, they didn't. Here's your little pouch. But what I didn't know I was getting any of this stuff. But if you take a look, it's got beards and banjos etched on it. That is so cool. It's like my first real kind of beard swag from folks. I don't have any hats or t-shirts or any of that kind of stuff. But that's definitely my first kind of leather works goods, if you will. So it feels like summer. Let's do the feels like summer. So the ingredients on this one is grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, and a blend of essential oils. Okay, cool. Feels like summer. It's got a little citrus, kind of an orangey citrus. I like that. That's refreshing. Yellowish. A little yellow. Seems like a pretty light oil on that. Lightweight oil. Which is good for summer anyway. Yeah, that's definitely orange inspired. Yeah, I like that one. That one is nice. So good ingredients, a lightweight oil, citrusy. And then on the balms in a black screw can. Oh man. All right, and on the back, let's see what I can see on this one. Beeswax, shea butter, argan oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and blend of essential oils. So it's just got beeswax and shea butter added to it. That looks like the natural beeswax with the color on that. I don't hear it shaking. And let's see what we've got. Yep, that looks to be pretty much a medium consistency. Yeah, definitely probably right in the middle, like a 2.5, 2 to 2.5 on that. That smells almost like orange juice because it's got the sweetness to it. I do like that one. Feels like summer. Let's see if we've got a completely opposite thing here with the Canadian Outpost. Okay, this is batch number 2 on this one. Pretty cool. Same ingredients. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, it's definitely woodsy. But that's a nice woodsy. Not overbearingly pine. More like evergreen kind of stuff. Let me put a couple drops up here. Definitely lighter weight oils. Get right down to your skin. That's very nice. Both of these can be kind of like everyday scents. A lot of the companies I've been doing unboxings and stuff for lately have been really good kind of everyday scents. All right, so been kind of summery scents and woodsy scents and earthy scents, which are really good for every day, and these definitely are. Everything seems to be kind of medium there as far as the scents. Okay, nothing's really overpowering. So we'll see how long it lasts. We know with the orange stuff, the citrus, a lot of times it won't last a very long time. But we're going to check that out. But I cannot fault them with the presentation. I mean, two thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. That's all I got for you. But the presentation is good. The attention to detail is great. You already got some really good beard swag. Looks to be good products with good ingredients, but we'll do a follow-up review and I'll talk to the guys at the company again to give you any kind of updates here in a week or so. Usually it takes about 1 to 2 weeks for me to make another follow-up, and we only have kind of 2 different scents, so it won't take quite as long. But check out the Brothers Groom on Instagram and Facebook and all that other stuff, and check out their Etsy site and see what they've got. Looks like they're about $13 for the oil and $15 for the balm. So just under the standard pricing these days. So that's right in the ballpark for sure. All right, so check it out, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.